Hi you guys, I am Mala and I'm back with another video for you all, and today's video is my favorite MAC lipsticks. I had such a hard time in picking these few, but these are my absolute favorite and they cover every single occasion that I could possibly have to go to. So whether it is a wedding, an award function, a casual day out with friends, or anything in between, I am covered with these. Now the one I'm wearing is also one of them, but I will check the shade and put it up here. Okay, one of the favorite brands for lip products is MAC. I think a lot of people would agree because the color and the formulation of MAC, there is so much variety, from matte, super matte, to comfortable matte, to glossy, to moisturized, and how we have all options to choose from and a wide selection of colors. Also, this video is not sponsored, there's no brand affiliation. I think MAC for a lot of people is the first luxury brand that they buy. I don't know. I think so. It was for me. I really saved up, and the first time I bought a luxury foundation, the first time I bought an expensive lip product, a concealer, my first good luxury makeup products came from MAC. So today I'm feeling very happily nostalgic and I am making this video for you. I will give you my favorites now. This is one of the most natural nudes I have and love. It goes perfectly with our Indian skin tone. It is almost nude but not quite, and it goes with everything for your casual outings or your day-to-day office or college looks. This would be perfect for that. This is from the Saturn range. It's called Mocha. It is number A86 and it is the perfect nude for any occasion, and I love it. It is one of my absolute favorites. It is something that I have repurchased several times. This one is almost over. I need a brush to put it on, but absolute favorite. Okay, the next one, let me apply it first and then I'll do it. That is again very versatile, and this is a beautiful pink called Craving. Craving AA9, double A9 number, and this is from the range Amplified. So this is very moisturized, very creamy. Alright guys, next is this pretty color which is almost over. Okay guys, this is another one of my favorites. It is almost over. You can see how much I use it. It is beautiful. Like, I cannot think of any occasion where I cannot wear this. It is very comfortable on the lips. It's very moisturized. The color pigmentation is great, and it is called Fast Play. Fast Play is from the Amplified range and its number is AA9, double A9. Another all-time favorite. Ooh, this one is fun. A bright fuchsia pink, which is so pretty. It adds a pop of color. You can totally have a no makeup face. I love this color. This is amazing for functions, for weddings, for award season. A lot of my lipsticks are from the amplified range or the satin range because I like a certain amount of moisture on my lips. I do not like very matte lipsticks, and even though they have an amazing collection of those, I do prefer a slight moisture in my lip color. So a lot of amplified and satin in my collection, and this is another favorite. What is life without Ruby Woo? It would not be a MAC video if Ruby Woo was not featured. Like any MAC, especially MAC lipstick tutorial cannot be complete sans Ruby Woo. Woo woo woo. Guys, I think this is their most successful lip color of all times, like ever, and for a reason. It is beautiful. It goes amazingly well when paired with a warm undertone. Our Indian skin looks beautiful with this lip color. It goes perfectly. So for warm undertones, for tan skin, it is a great option. This is one of my very few MAC lipsticks which are from the matte range. This is Ruby Woo, which needs no introduction. It is from the matte range and it is A63 number. Now, actually it is, whoopsie. Actually, it worked itself out pretty well because I have some glosses to show you, and this is the only matte lipstick that I have featured in this video. Perfect timing. My two favorite glosses from MAC. It is in the shade Rags to Riches. I like that name. It's in the shade Rags to Riches. It is MAC Dazzle Glass. This also I have used a lot. And I will show you what the wand looks like. And I'll put a little on here. Let me show you the other one on the upper lip. This is what the wand looks like. Beautiful. How pretty are these? This is MAC lip gloss. This is in the shade Mirror. Yes, Mirror. And these two are definitely my favorite glosses from MAC. Guys, I hope you like this video, and I am very happy and nostalgic because Mocha and Mirror were the first two things that I got from MAC alongside my foundation, which was Studio Fix, and I think the first three things were these, and I'm happy to have shared it with you. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you soon, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so you'll get notifications about my videos, and I'll be back soon.